Sanibonani, welcome back to enye video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe i-channel, like i-video, share i-video as well. Thank you very much for coming kule video. Sizakhuluma ke ngenkosi iSilo. Sibona etrenda ke kuthiwa ke uyahlukanisa into enjalo. Ngibona trenda konke ama-publications kukhulunywa ngokuthi uKing Misuzulu kaZwelithini iSilo samabandla sesinqume ukudivosa indlovukazi engeke esidalule ke lana ukuvikela ke amazinyane embube. Udaba lusenkantolo nje kumanje iSilo sithi sizoyondla ngo-20,000 rands ngenyanga indlovukazi. Lo mshado wembube kuthiwa ngeke usalungiseka, kungcono indlovukazi iphume iphele esigodlweni. Look, ngibona trend abafowethu konke ama-publications kukhulunywa ngokuthi ke uyahlukanisa. So yeah, kuningi ke lapha angeke wow. Okay. So ngena kuthiwa iSilo ke uMisuzulu sinqobele kaZwelithini sifake isicelo sesehlukaniso kwabanye bondlunkulu baso njengoba silungiselela ke ukushadelwa uNdlunkulu wesithathu. Imbube ifake isicelo sesehlukaniso enkantolo enkulu yaseMgungundlovu lapho ifuna khona ukuba kuqhabuke igoda phakathi kwayo nomunye wondlunkulu bayo abakhona njengamanje. Emaphepheni asenkantolo abonwe iphepha ke iSilo sikhale ngokuthi umshado waso noNdlunkulu igama lakhe elingeke lidalulwe ngeke usalungiseka. Amaphepha asenkantolo aveza ukuthi bese kuphele isikhathi esingaphezulu konyaka iSilo noNdlunkulu behlala ngokwehlukana nokuthi ke alisekho ithemba lokuthi umshado wabo usengaphinde ulungiseke. Ummeli kaNdlunkulu umnumzana Umelo Sixulu weDonda Attorneys uqinisekile ukuthi sebewatholile amaphepha asenkantolo. iSilo sifaka isicelo sesehlukaniso nje kuvela ukuthi sizocacelwa ke owesithathu uNdlunkulu uNomzana Myeni ekupheleni kwalenyanga. So ke uyadivorsa uyashada futhi. Asaze abantu bakhuluma ngokuthi ke uyinkosi yakuqala nqa ukudivorsa. Ngizwe sengathi kukhulunywa ukuthi akumele mawuyinkosi mawushadile udivorce. Angazi ngikhuluma ke njengoba ngifunda la ngibheke khona kukhona enye publication bathe Zulu King Misuzulu kaZwelithini is reportedly headed for divorce from one of his wives, with the proceedings already underway at the Pietermaritzburg High Court. The couple had not lived together for over a year. Siyazi ukuthi nguphi unkosikazi okwathiwa ke baye bahlukana ntontoni. Wabuye ke yena wakhuluma wathi no, yena indaba zakhe zi-right, uhappy ntontoni, right? But lana kuthiwa the couple had not lived together for over a year before the divorce was filed, and the king has cited a breakdown in their marriage. He is offering 20,000 rands in monthly maintenance for a year. The name of the wife involved has not been disclosed to protect her children. Angazi bafethu kuningana kuthiwa ke inkosi ngathi ke iyahlukanisa. Historic King Misuzulu kaZwelithini divorces. This is the first time ever in publication in the entire 209-year history of the Zulu nation that a king has divorced a wife. Enye into engiyibone kukhulunywa ngakho ukuthi kuthiwa ke inkosi ayidivorce ingashada nje ishadile. So he is the first ever the first time in the entire 209-year history for the king to divorce his wife. The marriage relationship between the plaintiff and the defendant has reached such a state of disintegration that there is no reasonable prospect for the restoration of a normal marriage between the parties. In that the parties have on several occasions experienced trouble in their marriage and tried to restore the relationship without success. The parties have not lived together as husband and wife for a continuous period of at least 1 year immediately prior to date of the institution of the action. The divorce proceedings reads part of King Misuzulu's affidavit. Now, furthermore, the Zulu monarch has offered to pay the wife's monthly maintenance of 20,000 rands for a year from the day the divorce is finalized in court. He also said in court papers that they have already divided some of their belongings. There are no assets and liabilities in the joint estate worth mentioning, and the parties have already divided their personal belongings between themselves. There is no need for an order dividing their joint estates So King Misuzulu told the court, adding that his wife would have will have to foot her legal costs if she chose to defend the case. Hayi ke asazi uloku nje trendile maningi ama-publications ke Zulu King Misuzulu kaZwelithini divorces his wife and offers that 20,000 rands okukhulunywa ngayo. Zulu King Misuzulu kaZwelithini gebare right yena are left Mazulu akwatile today. So these are the people here, you guys. Kuthiwa ke iyahlukanisa ke inkosi nondlunkulu wayo okwazwakala ukuthi abasahlali bonke ntontontoni. Hayi kuningi bafowethu angazi. These are the trending news. Let me see the South African, since bebhalile bethi amaZulu King Misuzulu kaZwelithini reportedly headed for divorce. According to the African Times, Zulu King Misuzulu kaZwelithini is divorcing one of his 3 wives. The name of the wife in question has not been divulged to protect the children. The outlet reports that the king cited the breakdown of their marriage as the reason for the divorce. He reportedly filed for this divorce at the Pietermaritzburg High Court. Kune-Maritzburg, you guys, so ngithemba ngifunda ngabona nje ku-Maritzburg. It is Pietermaritzburg High Court in KwaZulu-Natal. In an affidavit sent by the outlet, the king stated that despite attempts to repair their relationship, the marriage had irreparable deteriorated. So wow, kuningi bafethu wow, asazi angazi bafethu ke okunye nokunye sizabe sizokureporta ke njengoba engathi uyatrenda kuyacaca ukuthi uzovuka kusasa etrendile. Kuningi okuvelayo abantu bethi yo sekushuthi mabehlukana nje kuzomela bashare. Angazi they spoke about what, angazi indle abakhulume ngayo lapha naphezulu ukuthi kuzomela uNdlunkulu atholeni. Kuningi abantu abaphefumula ngakho bafethu, like it's a whole lot. So angazi, anything that comes, I will definitely make a video and update you guys. Inkosi kuthiwa ke iya divorce. Your thoughts in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe, share, and then sizobonana kwenye landelayo. Bye.